Welcome to our channel, foodies. Today we're bringing you a delicious and healthy breakfast option that's perfect for busy mornings. Avocado toast. Whether you're a seasoned pro in the kitchen or just starting out, this recipe is quick, easy, oh so tasty. So let's get started. First, you need to slice the bread and pop it in the toaster. While the bread is toasting, it's time to prepare the avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Use a spoon to scoop up the flesh and put it in a bowl. Mash the avocado with a fork until it's nice and creamy. Next, add a pinch of salt and pepper to the mashed avocado and give it a good stir. Once the bread is toasted, it's time to assemble the avocado toast. Spread a generous amount of the mashed avocado on each slice of toast. Then, add your desired toppings on top of the avocado. You can get creative here and add whatever toppings you like. We chose feta cheese and tomatoes. And voila! Your delicious avocado toast is ready to eat. Now, if you're an avocado lover, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. If you tried this recipe at home, let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love avocado toast as much as you do.